Welcome to Pawpaw, Sammy, and Aly Bug's YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how to clean dryer vents, just jumping right into it. At the end, I show you how to put it all back together. So to take it apart, you just do that, but backwards. And make sure you unplug your dryer first. So right here, I'm using an attachment to my drill, and it has this little fancy brush at the end right there. That one. And these like long, they're almost like tent poles, but they're super flexible and they just attach to your drill. Here I am showing you how to add another section. They just screw together and, yep, just like that. And then you do like this, put it in the drill head. I think you can just like buy these on Amazon, by the way. I borrowed mine from my sister. And anyway, you go as far as you can with that, all the way up your dryer vent, or in my case, down. As you can tell, mine went straight into the grass. So this is how I figured out that I was done. So jumping forward, and this is the piece that connects from my dryer to the wall. You can see some lint trapped in there. Ooh, that's scary, that's spooky. Look at all that lint. I just kind of like dumped that out and vacuumed it up. That's actually the most lint out of my whole system, so it's a big pile. Here I am lining up my hose to my dryer since it already has a bend in it. And this is attaching to the back of the dryer. So there's that clamp right there on top, and you want to kind of move it around like that. For me, this is the best angle so that I can reach it with my screwdriver. And you just tighten it up, and what that does is it tightens around the hose and holds it together. Moment of truth. I failed. See, it just slipped right off. So trial and error, people. You just, I'll tell you what to do. You just go back in and tighten it up. Going back in with the ratchet because that made it a lot tighter. So trying it again. Wow, look at that flex. It is on there sturdy. She is a sturdy girl. Oh, and a beautiful clip of the back of my head because I just know that's what y'all came to see. So right here is the same process. I am connecting the other end of the hose to the wall. Friendly tip, if you pinch your clamp like that, it's a lot easier to move, to screw and unscrew. So I'm putting my piece inside. Be careful, those edges are sharp, very, very sharp. Don't cut yourself on any of this. It's not worth it. Getting everything into position and making sure that, there's no gaps. Right here, I'm pinching the clamp again, and I'm tightening with my hand. Oh, look how fast I am. I'm just kidding. I sped that part up. I can't actually go that fast. So now I'm getting it with a screwdriver for a majority of the way. Oh, my goodness. You might think she's the fastest person to ever do this in the land. I am not. This is actually how slow I go. So, yeah. Readjusting, making sure it's perfect. It didn't even fall out. But yeah, to begin that process, just do everything I just showed you, but in the opposite direction. And I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Please tell me what your favorite part was, and like and subscribe to Pawpaw, Sammy, and Aly Bug. Bye, guys.